Good evening, Afro Carol here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Afro Carol, and if you're my returning subscriber, you're most welcome. So today being a Saturday, normally my Saturdays I make rice and beans. So make rice with me, guys. I've already put my rice in the rice cooker, so I have some carrots to add on my rice. I like rice with some carrots for the flavor, if you guys can see. So just going to mix it a little bit so that the carrots goes in every part of the rice, guys. So that's done. We are going to cover it up, put a lid on and let it boil. And here I have my onions. Need to clear here a bit. Take my saucepan out. Here we are. And I'm going to chop these onions. So every Saturday I do make rice, beans, sometimes I use peas. It depends on what they want to eat. Yeah, so that's what we're having today, guys. So here we are. We're done with the onions. Going to turn on the fire. I add some oil. Not too much. You can see oil is not all that much. I'm going to wait for it for the saucepan to heat a little. Oil is hot enough. I'm going to add in onions. Here I can have my tomatoes and carrots, which I'm going to do the chopping. If you don't mind, I would like to know where you're watching me from, and also you leave your comment. You can ask me a question. You know, I want you guys to also show me how you make your food or how you make tomatoes cooking. Almost ready, so that I'll be adding these carrots on top of our beans. I'll cover and allow it to boil a little more. Our tomatoes are cooked. I'm adding in some Royco cubes for my beans. It tastes so nice, so delicious. And then also I add on some turmeric to color, and then I add last my carrot, because I want the taste of the carrot when it is fresh. This is, and we will add on our beans a little fresh. So this is our sauce for today, guys. It's so nice. I'm going to let it boil a little so that everything mixes to be ready to serve. I want it to taste very yummy or very nice. The spices, have a taste if the salt is enough. Yeah, the salt is more than enough. And I cover it. I give it 5 minutes. So guys, our beans is ready. As you can see, it is still boiling. I'm going to garnish it with some of this fresh coriander, because coriander, when it is fresh, it's very nice. Many people also who use it know it. This is our sauce for dinner, guys. Put it aside. And also I have some greens. We are in part of Africa, guys. The land that has the best, the sweetest pineapple, Uganda. my leftover greens, which I need to warm. Many. That's why I've made, I'm warming the little we have instead of making another one. So we first eat this one and finish. Guys, you can, I think you guys have noticed in most of my video, I use greens in every meal I make. We love eating greens, by the way. And as I remember, I told you guys in one of my videos that we have a garden or a shamba where we plant our own greens. I also buy some in the market. Not everything I will have it in the shamba, but I buy some. So sometimes I use the one I bought from the market. Sometimes I go to the shamba and pick it and we make it. So we love greens. In each and every meal I make these greens, guys. So, and also our rice is ready. You guys can see from there. Let me take you along. This is our rice with carrots in it. As you can see, it looks so amazing, so pretty. This is our sauce for today. And also today, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for giving it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for leaving your comment in the comment section. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new, Afro Carol here. I do cooking, organic food, natural African food. I also cook, but I can also cook any different type of food. Not everything, not that I know everything, but I'm good at learning. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel for today. It ends here. I just want to say thank you. Have a good night. God